Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unsend a voice message from your chat on Instagram. Whether you sent it by mistake or simply changed your mind, this feature allows you to take control of your messages. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this is essential for accessing your messages. Once you're in, look for the messages icon located at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like an airplane and is your gateway to all your direct conversations. After tapping on the messages icon, you'll be taken to your chat inbox. Here, scroll through your conversations to find the chat that contains the voice message you wish to unsend. Tap on that conversation to open it up and view all the messages exchanged. Now that you're in the right chat, locate the specific voice message you want to retract. To do this, simply click and hold on the voice message. This action will prompt a menu to appear at the bottom of the screen with several options. Among these options, you'll see Unsend. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you click on Unsend, Instagram will ask for confirmation to ensure that you really want to remove this message. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the voice message will disappear from both your chat and the recipient's view. It's as if it was never sent at all. Keep in mind that while unsending a message removes it from the conversation, there's always a chance that the recipient may have already listened to it before you acted. Instagram does not notify users when a message is unsent, so there won't be any indication of this action on their end. In summary, unsending a voice message on Instagram is straightforward. Open the app, access your messages, find the chat, hold down on the voice message, select Unsend, and confirm. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining control over what you share in your conversations. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide helps you navigate Instagram with confidence and ease.